What's up, sir?
What up, what up? My name is Orion. I'm an MC, performing a band, Elastic Bond. Been doing it for a while now. Would love to bring them out. Cleveland, though, would be a dope spot for us to perform. We do fusion, it's jazz, hip-hop, R&B, the list goes on. Y'all want to hear a quick acapella? A quick little freestyle?
Yes.
Alright, check it. Cops is looking at me even when I take a piss, thinking I got rocks in my pocket like I'm the alchemist. But that's not me, not old, never served a yayo. Ain't even proud of the fact that I've been to jail. Another Hispanic male that fell to a stat, another number for the... When I kick it with them, let's get a little specific in what I gotta kick with these ill-type lyrics. Stop looking now, voice lands insane, comprehend. Got the styles that with no beat, you still hit the blend. Check it. So anyways, www.myspace.com, Orion327, that's more of my hip-hop stuff. Elasticbond.com, you can check out the band that I'm telling y'all about. And yeah, thank you for having me.
Thank you very much.